Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Sharlene here at Curls by Sharlene. Look at the curl definition. I'm going to show you how we go from flat, hard, crunchy curls to amazingly soft, fluffy and voluminous curls. I got this amazing curl definition by finger coiling. So if you're interested, I'll put a link below on the video I did on finger coiling. I used one product, which is the Extreme Professional Styling Gel. This is a maximum hold. I didn't use a leave-in. You can use a leave-in obviously, but I don't get as hard as a crunch or a hold when I use leave-in with most of my gels. I mean, this one could probably withstand a leave-in, but I tend to want to have a crunch. Yep, I said it. First day is crunch central, and I am guaranteed to have a whole week of lovely defined curls if I have a hard crunch on the first day. You want to shake at the roots and scrunch. I scrunch with my fingers. I did use an oil. It's jojoba oil. It seems to be my favorite oil at the minute. I don't like oils that have a strong smell, but obviously it's up to you. Scrunching my hair with my fingers definitely starts to break the cast. And you can use your hands to shape your hair. So if you want a middle part or a side part, this is already the time where you start shaping and fluffing and putting it in a style that you want your hair to fall into. You can also separate the curls. That helps with volume. And you can also get the crunch out by diffusing and crunching with your fingers at the same time. But I air dried, so this was actually day 2. Can you believe it? I styled my hair yesterday and it looks like it was styled today. You are going to need a pick and just start picking at the roots. This will make the hair bigger. You want to pick at the roots and not at the ends of your hair, because if you're picking in the middle of your hair or the ends of your hair, you are asking for frizz. If you are after definition and volume, take your time. You want to flip your hair to one side and pick, and flip it to the other side and pick. That's how you go from this to this. There are actually 3 different sizes of picks. There's a small, medium and large. I'm actually using the small one, and then the next few days I use the medium sized one, but you can really start with any size. You may have noticed that I now am moving down the hair, so in the middle of the curl I am picking and pulling at it, and this helps to shape the hair. Now, I can actually assure you having a crunch is actually a good thing, because you can manipulate your curls in any direction you want. They will last you all week. You will have definition and they'll be soft. If you find that you've done all this and it's still crunchy, I would say keep scrunching. As I said earlier, another way to break the cast is to diffuse your hair on low heat for 5 minutes. It doesn't even take long, but you need to make sure that your hair is dry, as this is just to break the crunch. I am also using the palms of my hands on the actual curls, so I'm not running my fingers through the curls. I'm doing a stretching motion with my palms. You don't want to run your fingers through the curls, because that creates frizz and will basically break the definition that you have. It will kill it. Whereas if you're using your palms, you're just stretching the curls rather than disrupting the curl pattern. I would suggest that you pick on day 1, day 2, day 3, even day 4. But be careful to not pick too much, because this can cause knots and can cause breakage. But if you're picking every day, your hair will get bigger every day. So that's the trick. The bigger the hair, the more you've got to pick. Generally, unless you're using leave-in, that's when you find the definition won't be as prominent, but the volume will be bigger. So it just depends what style you want. Do you want definition and volume, like what I'm trying to achieve, or are you looking for volume only or definition only? It all depends on the style you want to achieve. Once you have fluffed your hair enough, you will be able to flip it one side or the other. You can even have bangs. If your bangs are too long, there's a trick you can use. A normal bobby pin. I know I have thousands of these, but whenever I look for them, I can't find them. Not sure if that happens for you, but all you need to do is clip it in the front of your hair, and it actually lifts up the hair, makes the illusion that you have bangs when really you've just clipped your hair up. Now, can I just say, always remember the back of your hair. Sometimes you see these amazing curls, like the front of their hair is just to die for, but the back is as flat as ever. That's because you spend all your time sorting out the front of your hair and you forget, actually, I need to fluff the back as well. So try to remember to also fluff the back of your hair, because everyone else can see the back of your hair except yourself. When in doubt, just remember to keep fluffing with your fingers, get a pick and fluff, fluff, fluff. And there you go. I'm pretty much done for this day. The next day it will be bigger, and so on and so forth. But thanks for watching. Tell me what you think. How do you achieve your soft, non-crunchy curls? This is how I do mine. Leave a comment below and tell me how you achieve your desired style. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me, how many times did I say scrunch? Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.